Hello, I'm Ted and welcome to my world of modelling again. This week it's a similar format to the last one. I'll show you, there's probably about 3 new models I made and 7 old ones. So I'll start straight off then. This is an idea I had a few weeks ago after watching a program on the telly with, you know, what do you call it, time-lapse photography?
Yeah. So it's the bud that opens up into a flower. It's a nice.
Do you like it?
It's nice, isn't it? The way it works.
I've 1 or 2 headaches trying to, but it's a nice effect though, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's very clever, isn't it?
It doesn't look too much like I originally planned, because originally it was just going to be. So I started off, made the vase first, it was all wire.
Yeah.
And I decorated the sides with all the family's names. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, yeah.
There's 21 names there.
But that took a while, didn't it?
It did actually, but it was fun. But then I had the idea that I'd like, when the flower opened up to expose the centre, a colourful, what do they call it, the centre part, the sepal, is it? But I thought, well, I couldn't do that because if it's all wire, you can see straight through. So then I decided to make it look a bit more solid, that box the centre in. And she made the leaves out of very thin aluminium. So then it could give this, you know, welcoming the sun in the morning effect. And I think it's quite nice.
Yeah, it's nice, yeah, very good. Yeah, look nice on the mental piece, doesn't it?
Yeah, well do. Fun to make. Bit of a challenge trying to get to work smoothly though.
I can imagine.
That's all it is, look. Just a little leaf at the back. Nice effect though.
So that's the first one.
That's the first one. This was the second one I made. This is don't know what they call the first one now, but this is the fisherman thing. So the idea of this, the father's got all the latest gear, look, and all he can catch is a tiddler, and his son,
beginner's luck.
His son with a bent pin and a stick and a bit of string, caught a whopper. Just a bit of fun.
Looks like dark cotton, the dad.
You think so? You said it before, didn't you?
Same shape, face.
Yeah, but it's just great fun actually, coming up with different ideas for different sportsmen.
Yeah.
I definitely will make some more of those. The one I only finished today actually is the hunter. This one. What do you think of this one?
This, I haven't seen this one before.
Well, I only finished it today. This is the bird hunter.
Should have gone to Specsavers.
These lashes aren't as strong enough, as you can see. It's like the rifle.
It's nice, isn't it? It's very authentic looking, isn't it?
Well, guns, you know, this is my second love. I might as well show this one.
Is this the new one? The new air rifle.
Wide-eyed German now. Jack crap. Absolutely brilliant gun. Pressure gauge, everything included. One of the top of the range, I would imagine. Bless my pride and joy now.
So they're all the latest models.
No, they're the latest ones anyway. This one I probably did about 5 years ago now.
Yeah, I remember this one. Yeah, the
Remember this
circus one.
Yeah.
The lion tamer.
You just can't. Just can't quite catch them. It's fun actually trying to work out the mechanism, because whichever way you fast or slow, you can't actually catch them up. Just perfect string count. But they're a lot of fun to make. A lot of satisfaction when you get it to run.
I suppose just trial and error, isn't it, really?
It is trial. A lot of it's trial and error.
I suppose same with all models, isn't it, really?
Oh,
Making them all from scratch.
This was just a challenge. That's just one piece of quarter ply, 6mm ply, cut in ever decreasing circles. So that's the centre lock.
Bit of a mind boggler, that one, isn't it?
Well, it was a challenge. So the centre lock.
Yeah.
And of course, that will be the last one. Just one piece of.
Just one piece of wood.
One piece of wood, yeah. Better watch it, I'm putting those down. Oh yeah.
Oh, the toothache.
Now you've got the dentist report.
I mean, that's an old one, that is, isn't it?
That's very old. Self-explanatory, no explanation needed. And I've got this. I've seen this. Showed this one before as well. This was the London Olympics. What year was that?
2012.
2012. Yeah. That's when this.
6 years ago now.
I saw that and I thought.
Going for gold.
Going for gold, yeah. There's a lot of fun as well. I thought I'd show this because we had the London Marathon last weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, it's another interesting piece, isn't it?
Right. I've got to get up now. Right, what else? Oh yeah. This is a whirly gig, which is probably outside again now. Now the weather's getting better. I think I did show this before, didn't I?
Yeah, yeah. When it was outside at the time, wasn't it?
But the thing is, you can get a closer look now. Simple mechanism.
And does the wind operate it okay?
Oh yeah.
Is it light enough?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Well, you get that right, no? But why is it? Because that's just very thin aluminium.
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked a treat.
So you're going to put that back outside?
I will now the weather's picked up a bit. I'll show this now. This is probably about 15 years old. It's like a picture but in 3D. It's made from, I think, probably would have been, well, I've used copper wire and Milestone. I think that was copper wire with a polyfilling mixture. And it's in 3D. A lady loses a hat. See if you can see, look.
Yeah. Yeah, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah, I love that. Right. The colours next. Been a while since I showed this. I think it's probably going to concentrate for the next few months now. I love colours.
Collage. Oh, this is the egg box.
This is egg boxes. Painted white emulsion. That's it, simple as that. Little poodle.
It's interesting, isn't it? I mean, for just egg boxes, it's
Well,
amazing,
yeah.
amazing
I think-
what you can make, ain't it, with such
I
simple
think with
materials.
I think there's no limit to what you can actually use. Do you remember when we used to make those? You made one or two yourself.
Is this the driftwood
Driftwood
clock?
clocks, yeah.
Yours are a bit more elaborate than mine, aren't they?
Probably spends a lot more time. But when I had the idea for look at that now. So the skull.
The skull.
That's
the
off.
stone.
That is as it come off the beach. Incredible, isn't it?
Amazing, isn't it? You didn't do anything to that at all.
Well, I've added the bottom piece, but that is a piece that I picked up. Believe it or not, I just put the two together,
Yeah.
but there's no shaping or anything.
Yes.
I think can't think of anything else now.
Save the rest for next time.
Yeah, well, we can do this again. I'll probably get as much stuff again.
So it's going to be collages next then.
I like the idea of doing one or two more colours. I'm not sure what materials, but I never really know what I'm going to use because I just get an idea in my head and that's it. I'll just go with it.
Just play it by ear.
There will be some more, probably midsummer now.
Yeah.
I would imagine July, August. So until I say, enjoy the spring and summer.